Hi everyone.
I'm the social media assistant for MyHomeware bathroom.
Have you ever seen a tap so minimalist it doesn't even have a handle? That's right, it's not a bug, it's intentional design. In Australia, more and more young people are going for a minimalist bathroom style with attitude, and handleless taps are perfectly capturing this trend of light design and a focus on experience. So today, let me show you the 3 most popular high-aesthetic minimalist taps among the post-90s crowd at the Mier Sydney showroom. The first one is the Linkware Gabe tall tap, which can be installed in both kitchens and bathrooms. It comes in 5 colors with clean, crisp lines. Just flick the cap backwards to turn on the water and rotate it left or right to control the temperature. Pair it with a countertop basin in your bathroom and you'll instantly get that high-end hotel vibe. For those of you with under-counter basins, there's a matching short version available too. Next up is the ultra-modern Linkware Smart Sensor Tap. It's sensor activated, so it's clean and hygienic. No need to touch it. Perfect for lazy folks and lovers of minimalist design. Since it's sensor activated, you don't need a handle. It has a WELL 6-star rating, making it energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The third option is the pinless handle-free short tap from MyHomeware. Of course, there's a long version as well. This one is truly the epitome of minimalism. There's not even a pin. The elegant, one-piece design does away with the handle entirely, keeping only the most essential functions. It comes in 7 colors, so you can match it to any bathroom design you can dream up. In addition to the classic silver and black, there are also MyHomeware's exclusive champagne gold, tiger gold, and antique bronze finishes. The brand offers a lifetime warranty, so you can use it with confidence. If you want to feel the texture of these minimalist taps for yourself, come and check them out at the MyHomeware Sydney bathroom showroom. There are even more hidden bathroom gems waiting for you to discover. Your real-life bathroom can be just as beautiful as those on Instagram.